Good day, today I'm at iResidence at ICT. This is a 1+1 unit. It's 750 square feet. So let's start from the kitchen section. It's built-in kitchen cabinet, comes with a hob and induction cooker. Over at this section, it's the yard where you can do your laundry. This unit is in well-kept condition, clean, move-in condition. And over here you have the dining area. We are now at the living hall. Spacious, and what's the best part about this place is the view. Check out this view. Truly amazing. I'm facing the Shah section 7, and further up over there will be the KL city. And today we have got a very beautiful sky weather overlooking KL from ICT. And if you look at this lane here, this is the LRT line 3 connecting to Klang, coming from Bandar Utama. And over at this section will be the hospital Shah, and UiTM is just over there. So there's plenty of visitors in this vicinity. Just amazing view. High floor facing the northeast, and further up is Satyalam. So let's go back to the property. We are at the living hall. It's in well-kept condition, comes with one aircon. And this is a +1 room. Alright, you can put a single bed and a wardrobe, or it can be used as an office area. Moving on to the master bedroom. It is spacious. You can put your king size bed, wardrobe. Everything is in good condition. The floor is timber flooring. Okay. This is the bathroom. Spacious bathroom, clean, there's no leaking. The house is in a well-kept condition. So this unit comes with one parking, it's freehold, high floor. This place is low density, walking distance to the Central Plaza ICT Mall. I hope you like this tour. Give me a call if you wish to view this house. Cheers.